Miss Anderson, are you ready on pegs?
Yes.
What were you doing with it?
We just need to set for an exam.
Okay.
Good morning, Heather. Could I just check in with you real quick?
Yes, good morning.
Morning. This is Christopher Wiley at Jail Division 2.
All right, thank you. We're waiting for his attorney.
Thanks.
Yep. Judge, it looks like we're ready on pegs and Lowry. Miss Nelson, are you ready on all of yours then?
Yes.
Okay. One question. So I noticed on Aisha that it was supposed to be Summers Brush. You're handling the case, not Summers?
Yes.
Thank you.
People versus Samir Pegs.
Good morning, Sonam of CCN on behalf of the people, P83923.
Good morning, Your Honor. Neighborhood Defender Service by Lauren Anderson, P85191, on behalf of Samir Pegs, who is present on Zoom.
What are we doing with this?
I've already received discovery. We just need to set an exam date.
Well, did you listen to what I just went through with Miss Mosisian?
I was in a breakout room, Judge.
Yeah, well, every date I gave her in July, August, she was, I'm not available, I'm not available, I'm not available. So the
Judge-
exam I had to set was October 11th.
No,
So
there
that's
was a
probably
date,
where this is going to.
there was a date that you gave that his attorney couldn't, but I could. It was one of your first dates. It was a closer one.
Well, I'm setting this October the 11th at 11 o'clock.
Yes, Judge.
All right, you're all set.
Thank you. All right, Mr. Pegs, I'll give you a call, okay?
People versus Aaron Lowry. Who's on Mr. Lowry?
Good
Bryn.
morning, Your Honor. Bryn Bailey on behalf of the people, P84009.
And good morning, Judge. Neighborhood Defender Service by Andrew Sullivan, P84261. Here representing Aaron Lowry. Mr. Lowry, can you state your name for the record? Looks like his audio just got disconnected.
It's
Mr.
on
Lowry,
now.
can you hear us? Can you state your name for the record?
Aaron Lowry.
Judge, we have no objection to proceeding by Zoom today. We're simply asking for a live exam date.
August the 10th at 11 a.m.
I have two exams scheduled at 10 at
August.
9:30.
August the 17th at 11 a.m.
I am in trial that week. Is it possible to go one more week?
No, it's not. I don't have felonies again until September.
I apologize then. Could we do a September date?
What's your conflicts on August the 10th?
August the 10th, I could do an afternoon exam. I just have two exams at 9:30 and 10 o'clock at 36th District.
Noon on the 10th.
Excellent, thank you. Could we also, Ms. Bailey, I don't have digital discovery.
Nope, then we're not setting it. Adjourn it, Heather. If you don't have all your discovery, I'm not setting it. Heather, give them another date.
Yep, I have either the 13th or the 27th or the 20th, the next 3 weeks.
27th would be fine.
27th at 8:45.
Yes, please.
That will be with Judge Oakley.
Okay.
And you're all set. People
Thank you.
versus Aisha Moore.
Good morning, Your Honor. Bryn Bailey on behalf of the people, P84009.
Good morning, Your Honor. Sophia Nelson of Neighborhood Defender Service on behalf of Ms. Moore, P77960.
What are we doing with this, Ms. Nelson?
We need a new PCC date, Your Honor. Bryn and I have talked. She's going to be getting me digital discovery. We'll set it for an exam after I get full discovery, but I'd like to address bond today.
Go ahead.
Ms. Moore has now been incarcerated for over 12 days on a 10%. She owns her own home. She's a single mother. She is employed. She needs to, her children have been staying with her mom. She needs to get back to her job, or she risks losing it. She needs to get back to her home, or she risks losing that. And she needs to get back to her children, Your Honor. This is the first allegation of any violent criminal conduct on behalf of Ms. Moore. And so I'd be asking for a GPS tether PR bond.
Comments, Ms. Bailey?
Your Honor, this is actually not the first allegation that we've had with her for.
And why won't it be resolved with the GPS tether?
Your
It
Honor, I'm
will
not
be.
saying-
I'll grant the $10,000 personal with the GPS tether. Give them an adjourned date, Heather.
I have the next 2 weeks. Ms. Nelson, what's good for you?
1 second, I'm sorry.
Mr.
The
Chambers,
13th?
can you please read your chat? The 13th? All right,
Yep.
I have 9:45.
All right.
And then on Frank Horvath, Ms. Nelson.
Is he at the jail? I haven't gotten an answer on that front.
Either have I.
All right, then we got to wait on that one. Jessica Bird.
At the jail, please do not hang up yet.
That's Wayne County Jail?
Yes.
Okay, we're standing by.
Can you check for Frank Horvath while we're waiting, please?
Stand by, hold on, please.
Thanks.
What are we doing on Jessica Bird, Ms. Nelson?
We're also adjourning for incomplete discovery, Your Honor.
Give them a date, Heather.
The
Do you want
same,
this-
the same.
July
Yeah.
13th at 10 a.m.
All right. Ms.
Anything
Bird, I
else,
will
Heather,
call
right
you later
now?
today.
Okay. Thank you.
You're all set to go, Ms. Bird.
You're welcome, Ms. Bird.
Thank you, Judge Green. Thank you, Sophia.
Your Honor, ma'am, and Heather,
Yes.
Horvath is at Teen Jefferson. He's in a mental health treatment facility. Not in custody in the jail.
Thank you.
You're welcome. We're all set with Ms. Moore?
Yes.
Okay. Your Honor and staff, have a wonderful day.
You too. Did you want to bring that to the judge's attention, Miss Nelson, or just wait till we come up with another? Do you have any more today?
I'll be there this afternoon in person, just an exam. So you want to wait. Ms. Moore, are you the prosecutor on that?
Yes, good morning,
I'm
Attorney Nelson. I am the prosecutor who's handling that.
Okay, I don't have digital or paper. I don't have anything.
So it was requested from me by Brandy Robinson. Miss Robinson has it all. It's uploaded. I'm sending you the email right now.
Okay, all right, thank you. Heather, is it okay if we address Horvath when I come in this afternoon?
Yes. And I have your number correct, or can you chant me your number just in case he happens to appear?
You sure? Yeah.
Yeah. Well, I show that you have a 9:30 Hawkins. So are you going to hang out?
Well, I have 2 9s in Frank Murphy, so I'm
Okay.
going over
So you'll
there.
just be back at 9:30?
Or 9:45, depending on how things.
All right. Thank you.
We'll be back.
All right.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Mr. Amadeo, are you ready on Word?
We are.
What were you planning? Did you just need an adjourned PCC?
Yeah, that's all I need right now. The Washtenaw matter keeps dragging because the OIC in that matter is on vacation. So if we could get 30 days, I know it's been dragging, but I apologize. But his Washtenaw matter is the priority. It's a capital.
All right. So are you looking for August 3rd or August 10th?
August 10th would be great if that's cool.
Yeah, August 10th. It's going to be at, let's see, 8:45.
Yep, sounds good.
All right, Mr. Word, did you hear that?
Yes, I heard everything.
Okay, August 10th, 8:45. We'll see you then.
Thanks a lot.
Okay,
Have a good
thank
day.
you.
Bye.
Thank you.
Heather, I'm sorry. I just want to make sure, since I am handling the Horvath case, should I zoom back in at a later time? Can I give you my number for that? What's the easiest way to handle that?
You can give me your number because she's not expecting him.
Okay.
Pretty much.
I can also shoot you a text.
Okay, thanks, Bryn.
Thank you so much.
Judge,
put
we
my
have
number in the chat.
Southport Apartments versus Emma Kellnerup, if you want to handle that since it doesn't look like we have anybody yet.
Yeah, on Southport.
Yep, and Kathy B is in
They're both here.
I know, that's why I was asking if you wanted to handle that.
Southport versus Emma Kalinarpis. We adjourned it from yesterday. What did we set it over for today for?
Honestly, I don't know. And
I'm not talking to you, Heather. I'm talking to the attorney.
He's not on yet. He's still trying to hook into audio.
Miss Kalinarpis. I know you were on yesterday. What did we put it over for till today?
I wasn't here yesterday. And the thing
Oh,
was,
that's why we put it over. Nope, now I remember. Yep.
Yeah, and I never,
because you didn't get the notice. That's right.
yeah, I never even
I
got
know.
served.
And I told them to let you know and that just put it on for this morning.
Okay.
Give me 1 second while the attorney connects.
Okay.
Judge, I'm going to jump into a breakout room with this person.
Mr. Joseph, yeah, that's fine. Mr. Joseph, do you need to talk to Miss Kalinarpis?
Yeah, I may as well.
All right, I'm going to stick you guys in a breakout room.
Thank you.
Go ahead and hit join.
Mr. Bitar, do you need to speak to the prosecutor regarding Mr. Cinnamon?
Sure.
All right. Good morning. Bryn, can you go in your room, please?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Attorney Alisal. I know I said that wrong and I'm sorry.
Yeah, no, you're fine. Good morning.
Good morning. Do you have your client with you?
No, he should be logging in. I'll shoot him a text.
All right. Did you need to speak to the prosecutor?
Probably, yeah. We have it resolved, but I just want to make sure.
Okay, then I'm going to throw you in that room with her while you
Okay.
text your client.
Thank you.
Thank you. Hi, Mr. Cinnamon.
Good morning.
Good morning. You're still at the 136 Ponderosa Trail?
Correct.
And phone number still ends in 6284.
That's correct.
All right. We're just waiting for your attorney to, he's in the breakout room with the prosecutor.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Mr. Batar, did you need to speak to your client?
No, I do not.
Are you ready?
We're waiting for the complainant, so I'm sure you probably want to wait a few more minutes to see if complainant shows.
Okay, thank you. On the iPhone, what is your name, please?
Apprentice Barton.
Mr. Sullivan, you needed to speak to Mr. Burton?
Yes, please.
All right, as soon as I'm done renaming, and I'm gonna jump in the breakout room with you so that I can make sure that I have all the correct information, okay?
That sounds good.
Mr. Chambers, did you need to speak to a prosecutor or are you ready?
I could probably talk to her real briefly. This won't be long.
Okay, and are you going to be looking for a break? I mean, an adjournment and or?
Likely, it's a digital discovery situation.
Okay, yep, then we'll need to do a new PCC date. All right.
Yeah.
Well, let's work that
Yeah.
out and then I'll throw you in a breakout room with the prosecutor when she gets out because she's in a breakout room right now.
All right. I mean, because that's the only thing I need to talk to her about is getting the digital. That's it.
Yep, Judge will not schedule exam until we have that. So,
I mean,
do you want?
We can put that on the record. I really don't need to be in private with it, but that's up to y'all. However you want to do it.
When do you want to come back? Next week or in 2 weeks?
Oh, today it has to be a Wednesday.
It has to be a Wednesday.
That's not going to be possible next week because we have exams in 36. So
Okay, that's fine. The 20th or the 27th?
I don't want to prolong it per se. Let's do the 20th.
The 20th. All right. It's going to be July 20th at 8:30 because he is in custody.
All right.
July 20th. And Brenna's right there if you just want to tell her what you need and then everybody can go.
Hey, Bren, I need digital on Christopher Wiley. I've got paper.
You're muted, Bren.
Yep, let me check and see if I've got it. And then if I do, I can get it over you today. If not, I'll make sure to request it. I've got a couple of stacks going.
You're saying, when you say make sure to request it, are you referring to yourself or me?
Oh, no, to me.
Okay, gotcha.
All right, so you guys are all set. We will see you back July 20th at 8:30.
Gotcha.
Yeah, July 20th. Thank you.
Thank you.
Jill, we're all set. I'll send new notice.
Thanks, Heather.
Yep.
You
Have a
said
good
July
day.
20th, Heather?
Correct. Yep, July 20th at 8:30. Let's see. Hi, Attorney James.
Hi, how are you?
I'm fine. Have you talked to your client today?
I have not.
Okay, so when he gets here, did you need to speak to him?
Yes, please.
Okay, he's not here yet though. I just wanted to be sure. So as soon as he gets in, I'll just throw you guys in a breakout room, okay?
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, this is it.
Hi, Matthew Lewis, if you can unmute yourself, please. Matthew Lewis. Matthew Lewis. Mr. Sullivan, are you done with Mr. Burton?
Yeah, we're ready. We're just requesting another PCC date.
All right, let me bring him back out and I can get that for you.
Hello?
Hello, Matthew Lewis?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Are you still at the Textile Road address? Last phone number ending 9019?
Correct.
All right, we're just waiting for your attorney. So for Burton, when's a good time, Mr. Sullivan?
Could we do the 27th as well?
Yeah, what time did I have you at 10 o'clock?
You
No,
had
that
me
was
at, I
Nelson.
think, 8:45.
Okay, let's see, the 27th. Yep, I can do at 9 o'clock then, because I have two at 8:45. We'll do it, that one at 9 o'clock, okay?
Very good. Did you hear that, Mr. Burton?
Yes. The 27th. Oh,
Yeah, here's from today.
yeah.
Thank you,
All right.
Heather.
Thank you. So you're just waiting for one more, right?
Yeah, Mr. Gearhart.
Andrew, I'll send you discovery on that this week. I just have to find it.
Okay, I have paper, but if there's any digital, that's what I'm hoping to.
Yes, of course.
Thank you.
Okay. I'll see you later, Heather. Thank you.
All right, bye. You're good, Mr. Burton. You can leave.
All right. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Heather, if you're ready, we're ready on Cinnamon.
Well, we gotta ask the judge how long she usually waits. Is it just 15 minutes? Wait a minute, I have a person in my waiting room that starts with Ron.
It might be him.
Yep. Ron, what is your last name, please?
Hey, my last name's Melmston.
All right, did you need to speak to the prosecutor, Bryn?
I
Okay.
did, yes. Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with her. Just hold on 1 second. Let me just rename yourself.
All right. Ron Melmston.
Heather, I'm going to interrupt you. Miss Helen Arpus, you went into a breakout room with Southport. What happened?
I'm waiting to speak to you.
I understand that, but the attorney never came back.
Oh, I don't know. Maybe something happened with his connection, but he basically said that his stance was there, trying to go through with an eviction, and I could try and tell you otherwise. Like why I haven't paid, basically.
All right, well, we'll wait for him to see if he reappears, but all right, hold
Okay.
on.
Mr. Geringer?
Yes.
Let's see. What time is your client? Oh, Jordan Clark right there. So did you file an appearance?
I'm filling in for Brian Daly today, associate at Daly Law Firm.
Yes. Okay. Perfect. Did you need to speak to Mr. Jordan?
No, just the prosecutor.
Okay. She is in a breakout room right now with somebody. I'll put you in her waiting room though. Wait. Oh, here she comes. Bryn?
Yes, ma'am.
Mr. Geringer needs to speak to you regarding Jordan Clark at 9:15. He's covering for Brian Daly.
All right, give me 2 seconds.
Yep. I'll put him in your waiting room. Jordan, did you lose service?
Yeah. Sorry about that.
You're fine. I just want to rename you. All right, I got the Bryn.
Thank you.
You've already told Mr. Batar your stance on that?
Yes, ma'am. I sent you guys the same message.
Okay, I just wanted to make sure so that if you want to jump in that breakout room and I can let the judge know we're ready on that one.
Perfect. And he should still be here. Or no, well,
he might be in the
get him out
breakout.
of my breakout room.
Yep, I will ask him to leave. So is he just to leave or is he to come in here?
No, bring him into the main meeting room, which is what I just asked him to do. So
okay, yep, here he is. Okay.
All right, I'll be right back.
Judge, we're ready on Cinnamon.
People versus Steven Cinnamon.
Good morning, Your Honor. Daniel Batar on behalf of Stephen Cinnamon. Mr. Cinnamon is present on Zoom. Can you state your name for the record, Mr. Cinnamon?
Stephen Cinnamon.
Your Honor, the complainant's also present on Zoom, Ron Melmston. It's my understanding he wants the case dismissed.
Is that correct, Mr. Mounston?
Yep. We're gonna dismiss it.
Well, you're not going to dismiss it.
I just don't. Yeah, I just want it dismissed.
It's dismissed. You're all set. Thanks.
Thank
Have
you,
a good
Judge.
day, everybody.
Thank you too.
Thank you, Heather.
Thank you. That's fine, Mr. Sullivan. If you're in here, I don't see you. Mr. Cinnamon,
All
you're
right,
all
so I am
set.
good to go then.
You
Okay,
are correct.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You too. Hi, Miss Silver. What are you here on?
I'm here on Jessica Gearhart.
All right. She has not appeared
Yeah,
yet.
just calling her, no answer. I just got back in town yesterday, so I haven't not had contact with her. I'll keep trying her.
Okay, thank you.
Heather, good morning.
Good morning. Do you just need another date? Or are you ready to go?
No, if we can proceed and waive his presence, everything
Nope,
is
he's
resolved
on.
to a civil.
Oh, wait a minute. Nope, you're Jordan Lee. Okay.
We have everything resolved to a civil infraction, so I have
Oh, okay.
authority.
Judge, we're ready on Julian Lee at 9 a.m. if you're good with us not with the attorney waiving his appearance.
That's fine. What's it amended to?
Good morning, Your Honor. It's going to be the driving while license is suspended. It's going to be amended to the second charge will be amended to impeding traffic.
$170. Pay it within the week.
Will do. Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You as well.
Hi, Scott Millisor.
Hi, yep.
What are you here on?
I believe I have a ticket. It's Miss China Shaw, I believe her name is.
Oh, you're the trooper or the
No, the airport.
airport. Okay. She has not appeared yet, so.
Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and mute, okay?
Yep, thank you.
Alrighty.
So the attorney I'm against just still hasn't showed.
Correct. The attorney has not showed up yet or hasn't come back in yet.
So we're literally just waiting till he comes back.
Hi, Attorney Elijah.
Hello.
Hi, did you need to speak to Matthew Lewis?
Yes, please.
All right, I will put you in a breakout room. Just a minute, Miss Hawkins.
Okay.
Miss Hawkins, you're still on Jeff Street in Ipsy?
Yes.
Last four digits are 9951?
Yep.
All right, we're just waiting for your attorney to come back, okay?
Mr. Joseph on Southport Apartments versus Emma Kalinara.
Yes, Judge.
You had a breakout room with her. What's going on with this?
Judge, there's no resolution. This is a case where we are way beyond the, we're beyond any Sarah deference or stay period. We had a judgment that was entered back in January. We had an order of eviction that was entered in February. The writ was being held off because of the Sarah funds. We did receive one small payment from the Sarah program for about $3,000 that was paid on June 30th. There still remains a balance of $9,700. It's my understanding that the defendant has another recertification that is pending that was separate from the original Sarah application, which was the basis for the original delays. Judge, it's with the balance and the delays and without having any transparency or indication.
Kalinarpis, what do you have to say about that? You agree that you had the Sarah and then you did another recert?
Okay, so yeah, I've tried to be extremely transparent. This is literally all on Sarah at this point. So when I first certified, I applied for Sarah in September 2021. I finally heard back from them in March of this year, and they sent me a letter. I have it right here that says payment will be made directly to your landlord or utility provider.
Well, let me ask you a question, Mr. Joseph. With this judgment for possession that's outstanding, is it updated on the amount of money due?
Yes, Judge. I mean,
okay, so you can take that over there. I'm going to grant their motion on the eviction, and they can pay them if they're going to pay them. They got to pay them right now. All
yeah,
right?
well, that's my question. I'm like, the funds are literally there. They're just having an issue. So basically, what had happened was they sent it to me, even though they had informed me it would be sent directly to my landlord. Well,
you better get it worked out because they're going to evict you. Okay.
Okay. Well, if I get the funds released and they're like on the way, does that solve it?
If they get the funds, it solves it.
Okay.
I mean, so you better get with the complex and get it straight.
How long do I have?
I mean, I'm doing the motion. They're going to do it within I don't know, within this week or next week.
Yeah, I just don't know. I haven't been through this. What type of time?
I mean, it's been months. It's been months and you knew about it. But so you're all set for today. You're going to have to go over there and figure it out. I'm granting their motion.
Thank you, Judge. And
Thank you.
The court signed the writ, Judge.
You didn't. It's not in the file, so you have to send it over.
Oh, we will send it over. Thank you, Judge.
Bye.
Bye.
Judge, we are ready on Lewis at 9:15.
People versus Dejan Lewis.
Matthew Lewis at 9:15.
Sorry about that. Matthew Lewis.
Good morning, Your Honor. Bryn Bailey on behalf of the people, P84009.
And good morning, Emily Elijah on behalf of Matthew Lewis. My P number is 85039, here for a probable cause conference today.
What are we doing?
Your Honor, I'm requesting another probable cause conference. Ms. Bailey and I have been in email communication. The discovery that she sent was too large to upload.
That's fine. Heather, give them another date.
Sorry, Judge, I didn't know that's what it was for. Are you looking for 2 weeks or 3, Miss Elijah?
3 weeks if possible.
July 27th at 9:15.
Got it. Thank you.
That'll be with Judge Oakley.
Miss Elijah, did you get my email about how to pick up those discs?
Yes, my investigator picked it up yesterday. I just haven't received them.
Perfect.
All right, thank you. So July 27th at 9:15.
Correct, yep.
Thank you.
Judge, Ms. Pilkowitz is ready on Johnson to set an exam. Ms. Pilkowitz, do you have all of your discovery first?
So we were here yes, I'm prepared to set this for an exam for all intents and purposes.
If you don't have all your discovery, the judge will not schedule it.
Right. There's one item outstanding, but I'd be willing to move forward with the exam regardless. And I was hoping to set it a few weeks out. So
That's fine. I'll go ahead and set it, but with the understanding is if you don't have it, you're moving forward anyway.
Understood, Judge. I was hoping to get it a couple weeks out.
I'm going to give you August the 10th at 11 o'clock.
That works.
All right, you're all set.
Okay, thanks. All right, Justin, that's going to be in person August 10th in Romulus. Judge,
All
you
right.
said 11. Apologies.
Yep, 11 a.m.
Thank you.
Mr. Geringer, you're ready on Mr. Clark?
Yes, that's correct.
Are you just looking for an adjournment or what? How are you handling this?
So we're after speaking with the prosecutor, requesting from the judge a discovery order regarding some outstanding dash cam and body camera footage from the Romulus Police Department. It's my understanding that hasn't been produced yet, and after discussing this with the prosecutor, we believe that would be the most expedient way to get that would be requesting an order from the judge for
All
the.
right, well, you can send over the order. I will chat you my email and you can send over an order and I will get it to the judge
Okay.
to sign and then I will email it back to you. So how long do you want to an adjournment?
I would think 2 weeks would be sufficient.
All right, so July 20th at 9:15.
Okay. Let me just take down that email. I don't anticipate getting you that order right away. It'll probably be this afternoon as I'm about to attend another in-person hearing, if that's okay. But I will get it to you
perfectly
today.
fine.
And will that be the same Zoom information?
No, it is going to be Judge Martin. When you get your notice, it'll have her Zoom information on there.
Okay, thank you very much.
You're welcome. Miss Nelson, do you need to speak to Miss Hawkins?
No.
And how were you proceeding on that one?
Is the prosecutor on?
Yep, she is.
Britt, is this your case?
Yes, it is.
Okay, we need a new PCC date. I don't have complete discovery.
All right, what day did we already stack you up on?
You stacked me up next week, Wednesday.
The 13th?
Yep.
Let's see. Okay, let's see, we'll do another 10 o'clock.
Okay. Ms. Hawkins, does that work for you? 10 a.m. next week?
Yes, that works.
Okay. Bryn, what I need is the security camera footage, the stills. I don't have anything from the CVS. Okay.
Mr. Geringer, you and Mr. Clark are all set.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You too.
Ms. Hawkins, we're all set too.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Could you do the subpoenas on this?
Marianne? Judge Martin? Marianne?
Yep.
All right, I have, I'm waiting for Mr. Charlie to, okay, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Charlie. Oh, let me make you co-host.
Yeah, thanks.
Oh, I can't make you co-host. Judge Green's gonna have to do it.
Okay.
So I'll let you hang out in room 11 if you want, and that's
Yeah,
where I'll
I'll
just
do
start
that.
throwing all your people.
Okay, Mr.
I did it. Your co-host.
Thank you. Wait, did you just say, thanks, Judge, did you just say Mr. Charlie?
Yep, Tyler Charlie, he's at 9:45.
Got it. Okay.
Thanks. Mr. White, have you talked to your attorney?
Yeah,
Okay, because I know she was on earlier, but she must have left.
I didn't talk to her today, though.
Oh, okay.
Hello.
Attorney James, I don't see that your client ever appeared. Sincere Bryant?
Yes, so I didn't get an appointment slip or anything. Do you have any contact information for him?
I know that we do because he has appeared before, I think. Yeah, he usually appears actually. I will chat you.
Okay.
I did this right.
Marianne, I'm going to put two more in there with you. Judge, I'm running in to help Mary Ann real quick. I'll be right back in 2 minutes.
Okay.
Miss Silver, any luck with Miss Gearhart or no?
I'm afraid not. She's
Okay.
not answering. I've left a couple messages.
All right.
Madam Clerk,
Yes.
was that 112 correct?
Which one are we talking about? Sincere?
Yes.
The number that we have, I hope I didn't chat it to you, Ryan. I sure did chat it to you wrong. I'm so
Okay.
sorry.
No, that's okay. Thank you.
772.
772. Got it.
Correct. Thank you.
Okay.
So do you want to do a KPS on her or call me if she comes in or?
Judge, how do you want to handle that? It's for 9 a.m. Jessica Gearhart.
Oh, as a no-show?
Correct.
Miss Silver, if you get, we're gonna hold it for a bench warrant for 48 hours. If you have contact or if she shows, we'll reset it.
Okay, perfect. Thank
Thanks.
you.
Mhm.
Everybody, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Okay, Madam Clerk, I think I'm gonna be ready on Mr. Bryant. That number doesn't work.
Well, Mr. Bryant, he always, Judge, Miss James is ready on Bryant.
Same thing on Bryant. If Mr. Bryant is a no-show, if you get him or if he appears within 48 hours, otherwise we'll issue a bench warrant. And when he appears, we'll reset it. You're all set.
Okay, thank you.
Mr. Gagnac, I take it you don't have your client with you?
He's not physically with me. Did he happen to check in with you guys?
He has not checked in yet. His his hearing's not till 10:15.
10:15. I'm in communication with his mother. Running around the circuit court. How about I check back in around 10:15, 10:20, if that's okay?
10:15 would be good.
I appreciate it.
Heather, I'm so sorry.
Uh-huh.
Oh, it's Bryn. Sincere Bryant, that was Nicole James' client?
Yep.
Okay.
And he usually shows.
Okay.
So you can hear us.
Attorney Hart.
Hello,
Hello. You have your client with you?
I do.
All right, let me verify, make sure that I have the correct information on your client. And Wick Road. Last four numbers are 0195.
Yep,
Perfect. All right, did you need to speak to the prosecutor?
just real quick, yeah. We're just
All right.
gonna be asking for a new date. We still haven't gotten the video.
You're muted, Bryn.
I sent it all over yesterday.
I got that, but I still haven't gotten the kids talk stuff.
It's in there.
Okay.
Okay, so you just need another final pretrial?
Yeah, I guess so.
I would like to see if the complaining witness shows up so that I can talk to her.
Okay, well, do you want me to just give him a new date, but we can still wait for the?
Well, I don't want to get a new date because today's the final pretrial. And if the conversation goes as I'm expecting it to go, then setting it again will be a waste of everyone's time.
All right, then we'll wait closer to 10 till 10 o'clock, Mr. Hart. Give the complaining victim 30 minutes, okay?
Okay. Are we thinking of, Bryn, are we thinking of
Well, let me
possibly-
put you guys in a breakout room.
Okay, thanks.
Bryn, if you can go in your room, please.
Go to your room, Bryn.
Attorney Blake,
Yes, good morning.
good morning. Did you need to speak to the prosecutor or your client?
Sure.
Which one?
Oh.
Too many questions, right?
Okay, let me speak to the prosecutor, please.
All right, Bryn, did you hear that?
To be honest, I did not.
Okay, it's Mr. Blake needs to speak to you regarding his client Tyler Charlie.
Okay.
I'll put him in your
I'll put
room.
him in my room. Thanks. Oh,
Yep.
Here, just never mind. I got it.
Okay. Mr. Blake, did you need a new date for yours?
What's the exam date?
Well, do you have all your discovery?
I do.
All right, Judge.
Yes.
And Tyler Charlie 945. Mr. Blake is ready.
People versus Tyler Charlie.
Bryn is in a breakout room. He just wants to set a exam.
Good morning, Your Honor. Wright Blake appearing on behalf of Tyler Charlie.
Good morning. I have an exam date of August the 10th at 11 o'clock.
That's fine, Your Honor.
All right, you're all set.
Is that in person or Zoom?
It is in person unless you want it by Zoom.
No, we'll be out there, Judge. Thank you.
Okay, we'll see you then.
Okay.
You're all set, Mr. Charlie.
That's it?
Yep, that's it. We'll see you on that day here at the courthouse.
Okay, in person, right?
Correct. Yep, I'll send out notice.
All right, thank you.
Thanks. Have a good day.
You too.
Bryn, are we ready?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, I'll bring them back out. Judge, we are ready on Jackson. Where'd the attorney go? Did we lose the attorney?
He is gonna sign back on in about 5 minutes.
Oh, okay. Mr. Sullivan?
Yes.
Okay, so Miss Silver was here for Jessica Gearhart and she didn't appear either.
Ah, okay.
Did you have any other ones? Is that your last one?
That's all I have remaining.
Judge, on Gearhart, that was at 8:45. Mr. Sullivan was assigned to Ian Gearhart.
Yep, same thing. We'll hold it for 48 hours. If you get him or if he reappears, we'll reset it. Otherwise, it's a bench warrant.
Understood, Judge. Thank you.
You're welcome.
You'll have a good day.
You too, thank you. Mr. Weinberg,
Hi, how are you?
I was just confused because you say that you're here for Sandu, but you're here for Franklin Good, correct?
You know what? That's an old, I gotta take that off my Zoom.
That's fine.
You know, I always forget to do those things.
Did you need to speak to the prosecutor or are you ready to go on your client?
No, I need to talk to the APA.
All right, Brent, if you can go in, please. Good morning, Mr. Harris.
Good morning.
Do you need to speak to the prosecutor or are you ready to go on your case?
I'm ready to go on my case.
Did you just need another adjourn? Do you have all of your PCs, all of your discovery?
Yes.
All right.
I just need to set it for an exam.
All right.
Which case is it, Heather?
Last name is Spry, S-P-R-Y at 10:15.
People versus People versus Danielle Spry.
Good morning, Your Honor. Good morning, Your Honor. Wyatt Harris, 354-891 on behalf of Ms. Spry, who appears via Zoom with the court's permission.
I have that you're asking for a exam in this matter. I have August the 10th at 11:30.
I'm in trial, Judge.
August 17th at 11:30.
That should work.
All right. Ms. Spry, August the 17th at 11:30, and that'll be in front of me.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too.
Thank you, Judge.
Thanks.
Mr. Tuttles, have you talked to your client today?
I haven't talked, no, I have not, Your Honor. Has he checked in?
Has not.
Okay, can I come back in 5 minutes? I have my office call and find out where he is.
Please do.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Mr. Weinberg, are you ready or do you need to speak to your client?
No, we're ready. And actually, we're going to be asking for an adjournment for discovery, and we're trying to work out a deal with the prosecutor. Do we need to put that on the record?
Nope, I can do that for you.
Can we have 30 days?
Yep, so you are looking at August 10th.
Hold on, let me just check real quick.
All right, you asked for it now.
Yeah, August 10th is fine.
All right, August 10th at 9:15.
That's fine.
All right, then you are all set. Mr. Good, did you hear that? August 10th at 9:15.
Yes, I did.
All right, you're all set.
You said 10:15 or 9:15?
I'm sorry, 9:15.
9:15. Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Have a good one.
You too. Judge, we are ready on Laporsha Jackson at 9:30. It's a misdemeanor.
I thought he wanted an adjournment for discovery.
Bryn, is it working out the way that you thought it would?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, yep, they're ready to go, Judge.
People versus Laporsha Jackson.
Good morning, Your Honor. Bryn Bailey on behalf of the people, P84009.
Good morning, Your Honor. Mark Hart appearing on behalf of Ms. Jackson. She's with me here in my office. We're appearing via Zoom and we have no objection to that.
What are we doing, Miss Bailey?
Your Honor, I have had a chance to speak with the complaining witness this morning. After speaking with her, she is present here on the screen. She has indicated to me that she does not wish to move forward with prosecution. So because of that, the people would not be able to proceed to trial.
Motion, Mr. Hart. It's dismissed. You're all set. Thank you.
Thanks, Judge. Take care, all.
Thanks, you too.
Thanks, Bryn.
Miss Jackson, you can leave now. That's all set. Thank you. Mr. White, can you please try and call your attorney? I tried calling her and I'm not getting through. If you can please try and do it for me. Bryn, we might have adjourned a few while you were in breakout rooms. So just let me know which ones you are not sure of. Bryn, I'm stepping away real quick.
I didn't get an answer neither. Hello? I didn't get an answer neither.
Yep, the court staff stepped away real quick.
All right, I'm back.
Yeah, I didn't get an answer.
You're not getting an answer either?
No.
Okay. Well, I guess we can give her a little bit longer and then we can ask the judge what she wants to do because she was here this morning early.
Okay.
All right. So if you just want to mute yourself, we'll just wait a few more.
Okay.
Thank you.
Hey, Heather, what date did we give for Tyler Charlie?
1 second, Bren.
Thanks.
Sorry, Brent. Which one are you asking for? Tyler Charlie?
Yes, ma'am.
Tyler Charlie is a live exam August 10th at 11 a.m.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome. Mr. McQueen, I know that your attorney was on a few minutes ago. He should be on in a few minutes.
Okay,
Thank you.
thank you.
Bless you.
Hi, Miss Woodson.
Hi, how are you?
I'm fine. Did you need to speak to the prosecutor?
No, we just want an exam date. We're ready.
You have all your discovery?
Yes.
All right. Judge, she's ready for an exam date.
Which file?
That's on White at
People
9:45.
versus Federal White.
Good morning, Your Honor. Bryn Bailey on behalf of the people, P84009.
Good morning, Your Honor. Damian Woodson on behalf of Mr. White, P68870.
Is this ready for an exam?
Yes, Your Honor.
I have an exam date of August the 10th at 11:30.
That's fine, Your Honor.
All right, you're all set.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Have a great day, everyone. Stay safe.
You too.
You too. Thank you. Hi, Mr. Gagniak. Have you had contact with your client?
Yeah, he just sent over a text asking for your contact information, which I just sent over to him.
All right, good. Thank you.
Got it.
Mr. Ferrantino, did you maybe talk to Mr. Tuttle's office?
I know they contacted me and told me that I needed to get on.
I would contact them again and ask where Mr. Tuttle's is.
Okay.
All right.
I can do
Thank
that.
you. Thank you.
Thank you. Okay.
Dejan, I'm going to put you in a breakout room to get some information from you, okay, before we get on with your case.
Okay.
Well, you know what? Let me double check something because I might just be able to do it since I know Mr. Gagnak's ready. Mr. Lewis, you're still on Ainsworth.
Yeah.
Last four digits 0531.
Yeah.
All right. Mr. Gagnac, what were you planning on doing with this case?
I just need to talk with him for 2 minutes.
Oh, okay.
It's a possible waiver.
Oh, okay. I will put you in a breakout room. Mr. Gagnac, are you ready?
All ready, please. We're going to waive.
All right, let me bring your client back in.
Thanks again.
Yep.
People versus Dejan Lewis.
Good day, Honor. Brian Gagnick, Neighborhood Defender Services, P64220.
And my understanding is this is a waiver.
Yes, it's true, Your Honor.
And Mr. Lewis, do you understand that by agreeing to the waiver by Zoom, you're giving up your right to have testimony taken whereby the prosecution would have to prove probable cause that a crime was committed and probable cause that you were involved in the commission of those crimes?
Yes, Your Honor.
And that by agreeing to this waiver that you're giving up that right?
Yes, Your Honor.
The defendant and his attorney having agreed by Zoom, I'll bind the defendant over. The arraignment on the information will take place 2 weeks from today, July the 20th at 9 a.m. And I'll continue the bond.
Thanks again, Your Honor.
Yep, you're welcome. You're all set. Thank you.
Hi, Tasha. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with a clerk, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bryn.
Hello?
Hi, Tasha. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with the prosecutor, okay?
Okay.
Thank you. Hi, Mr. Tuttles.
Hello.
Do you need to speak to the prosecutor? Or what were you doing on your case?
Yes, I need to speak with the prosecutor. Hold on. Oh,
Okay, she's in with somebody, so I will put you in her waiting room, okay?
okay, thank you.
Thank you.